everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Time with Vasu. So what new are we gonna learn today? So today we are gonna learn about some commonly used irregular past participles. So let's dive deeper into this topic. Now, this is the first example. Bite, bit, bitten. So bite is the base form, bit is the past form of the verb, and bitten is the past participle. Next, begin, began, begun. Here, begin is the base form, begin, begun is the past form, and begun is the past participle. Next, this is break, broke, broken. Break is the base form of the verb, broke is the past form of the verb, and broken is the past participle. Next, choose, chose, chosen. Choose is the base form, chose is the past form of the verb, and chosen is the past participle. Next, got is the base form, got again is the past form, and got is the past participle also. You might be thinking, I told in the starting that the past participle shouldn't be same to the past, but I also told if it's same, the past form of the verb should not have ed. Here we do not say cutted, we say cut. That's why cut is its past participle. Next, drink, drank, drunk. Here drink is the, guess what? You guessed it correct. It is the base form of the verb. Drank is the past of the verb, and drunk is the past participle of the verb. Next, drive is the base form of the verb. Drove is the past form of the verb, and driven is the past participle form of the verb. Next, eat, ate, eaten. Here, eat is the base form, ate the past form, and eaten the past participle form. Next, fall, base form of the verb, fell. It is the, guess what? You guessed it correct. The past form of the verb, and last, fallen, it is the past participle. Next, shut, shut, and shut. Everything is shut. Fight, fought, and fought. Here, the past and the past participle are same. Get, got, got. Here, the past and the past participle are same. Again, just like how we saw last time. Give, gave, given. Oh no. Oh yes, you got it correct. Give is the past participle. Yes? No, right? No. That is not the answer. It is the base form of the verb. See, even I got it wrong. Gave is the past form of the verb, and given is the past participle form of the verb. Next, go, went, and gone. Gone is the past participle here. Sit, sat, sat. Here, both the past and the past participle of the verb are same. Hurt, hurt. hurt. Everything is same. All is hurt. Ring, rang, and rung. Here, rung is the past participle. Sleep, slept, slept. Here, both the past and the past participle are same. Now, it's sing, sang, and sung. It is similar to what you had learned before. Ring, rang, and rung. Isn't that easy? Now, let's revise everything that we have learned. And let's start. Cut, hurt, and cut. Drink, drank, and rung. Eat, ate, and eaten. Fall, fell, and fallen. Fight, fought, and fought. Get, got, and got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Bite, bite, bitten. Begin, began, begun. Next, write, wrote, written. Sing, sang, sung. Sleep, slept, slept. Sat, sat, sat. Shut, shut, shut. Ring, rang, rung. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Choose, chose, chosen. Choose, chose, chosen. Break, broke, broken. Drive, drew, driven. If you like my videos, do like and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Bye guys, see you next time with a new topic.